What I'm hearing here on as far as like why there's different smart buttons, if you don't have access to the on-site network, a job site might not have any existing network. The retail situation, it could be that it's more challenging to get onto the store's network, given all of the challenges as a vendor putting your device onto a larger store's network because of point of sale. And then the same thing is with the office and facility management. I could imagine as service technicians, you've got your large expensive printer copier and having that little button right on the side. So you're putting the device on call and hitting it will notify that there's either a problem or that a service technician should be able to come out and get something without going on the network. Yep. And those machines, they'll move from site to site sometimes. It doesn't have to be a copier. Right. So trying to think through, like, as we're looking at all of these different industries, are you on the move? Is the service on the move? Are you fixed to a specific location? Transportation is the easy one, but what do you see in the industrial automation and then some of the healthcare applications?
What you can do there is to report dysfunction, and we can stick with an industrial printer, for instance. If it malfunctions, all you need to do is to walk to the machine and then press the button once you see that it's not working. As you said, you can request maintenance or the refill of paper or any type of material. That brings us in the industrial automation area.